Hey, what up guys? It's your bro Mugs back at it again with another video. Woo! Diba, ibang-iba na tayo. Ibang-iba na tayo ngayon. Wala na tayong mga pa-sound effects. Wala na tayong gamit. But I will try my best since parang na-hype up ako because of the vlog that I did nung pagtatag World Tour Dubai. And ang dami kong nababasa na nagwe-welcome sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Like, welcome back kuya. It's been a long time. Ang tagal namin ikaw hinanap. Saan ka ba galing? Nasa Dubai ka na pala. Yes, nasa Dubai na po ako. And kung anong nangyari sa akin, ang dami pong nangyari sa akin sa life. Like after pandemic, syempre nagtrabaho sa Manila. And then life happened basically. So yun lang. Ang dami kong na-miss, I'm sure, but not really na-miss kasi I was on the side lang naman, pero cheering for SB19, of course, cheering for P-pop Rise. Nakikita ko ngayon sobrang grabe na yung support ng mga Filipinos sa P-pop industry. So ayan, kudos to all P-pop groups and entertainment agencies, sa mga studios na na bumubuo ng mga P-pop groups, and kudos to you guys. And of course, the group na nag-paved way para sa P-pop sensation, SB19. Of course, you will always be the number one in my heart, and I think in a lot of people's heart as well. So ayun, thank you so much guys sa lahat po ng mga na nag-message din sa akin. Maraming salamat. And also sa lahat naman nag-comment dun sa videos, dun sa live stream na ginawa ko, and also dun sa kind of raw vlog na ginawa ko. Maraming salamat po. Anyway, eto, so since eto nga merong comment po yun, hindi nyo lang na siyempre nakikita nyo na, pero ako hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Sorry. So, eto, may nakita ako sa pagkatapos nung mga nangyayari sa YouTube, may bumulan, may bumulan tag sa akin doon sa newsfeed ko. And this is Philip Kanako Superior Sessions live performance video. Yes. So, after such a long time, ang una nating re-reactan again is Philip's performance video. So, insert video. Dito natin nilalagay. Dito naka-square. Anyway, okay. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's play this video. Yun na yung cue. Yun, ganun tayo mag-cue. Tapos, para masync ko ng maayos yung mga nangyayari sa libutan. Ito na nga guys, ang gulo nyo. Ito na. Oh. Wait lang. Oh! Wait lang kasi. Okay, ito na. Ito na talaga guys. Tuloy-tuloy na to. Kalma mo. Kalma. Ang daming caution. Ano ba yan? Hirap naman lapitan. Anyways guys, insert ko lang doon sa vlog na pinost ko, doon sa pagtatag World Tour Dubai. Kung mapapanood nyo yun, meron doong part na tinuro tayo ng manok. So tinuro ko din siya. Nagturuan po kami. Ang saya, di ba? Eto na. Alam mo yung magkapatid na pagkatapos kumain, so tuturuan kung sino yung maghugas ng plato. So parang sabi ko, tapos, wala. Ito na. Yeah. Guys, yung intro ng kantang to, nakaka-oye. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. proud Bisaya here. Proud Bisaya. Eh. I have never heard a Bisaya song na ganito ka-intense yung emotions and I don't know. I'm sorry guys kung I hope walang ma-offend pero wala pa po kasi ako. Hindi rin po kasi ako Bisaya so hindi rin po ako nakarinig ng mga Bisaya song. So ito lang po yung first. Disclaimer lang talaga. Sorry guys, ayoko may ma-offend. Yeah. Ang lighting. Ang lighting. Grabe. Grabe naman yan. Bakit naman ganon? Hindi. Gusto ko lang i-share kasi grabe iba yung dating. Kung sino man yung nag-produce nitong performance video na to. Oh. Nakita niyo yung kanina, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-edit to, pero yung kanina, yung angle na yan, yung shot na yan, Woo! Grabe.
Gusto niya yung siya. Wag ganun tayo.
Wow. Grabe, if you guys remember, one of the earliest na reaction video na ginawa ko of SB19, I think that was my first reaction video uploaded sa YouTube. I don't know if you can check it. You can go back and check yung commentaries ko. Di ko pa sila masyadong kilala at that time.
Ito parang nakipag-break na ng mga 10 beses to eh. Go Ken!
And yung commentaries ko about sa boses ni Ken when I first heard them sing sa mga performances nila. I think it's just the same. Grabe. Alam mo yung feeling na pag kumakanta siya, parang sino ba kasi nanakit sa taong to? Parang sobrang nakikita mo sa mukha niya, sa boses niya. sa bawat papunta na akong esophagus.
Esophagus.
Di, parang alam mo yun. Feeling ko gets nyo naman ako eh. Parang ang lalim ng pinanggagalingan niya. And that's what I like about his voice. What I like about his performances. Perhaps solo performances niya. But even with the group, ganun pa din eh. Parang, grabe, parang ang lungkot to achieve that kind of, that level of, alam mo yun. I think it was, yung kay Michael Pangilinan, I think. Basta, yun na yun, guys. Hanapin nyo na lang yung pinakaunang reaction video ko sa kanila way back 2019. Take note. Alright. Yeah. Perfection. So, I think I already did my comments, but yeah, guys, one of a kind. Grabe. Nakakatuwa lang to see kung nasaan na ngayon yung SB19 and to actually see from afar because that what happened to me the past few years. It's like cheering for them from afar, but I've always checked out their ganaps online. I'm always on Twitter if I get the time kasi syempre medyo busy na tayo sa life. But yeah, when I heard about SB19 pagtatag World Tour Dubai, syempre nabiyayaan tayo na makapanood. So ayun, I'm just really grateful and I'm happy for the rest of the 18 Dubai. Shout out to you guys. Also yung nag-produce nung concert, Black Star Entertainment, 1Z Entertainment, and also Maybush Productions. A huge shout out to you guys. I've met the team members and they're so nice, all of them. So kudos to you guys and I'm looking forward sa mga future concerts ninyo dito sa Dubai, of course. Ayun, sobrang maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga nagko-comment na welcome back, sana mag-react ka na ulit. We miss your reaction videos and live streams, ganon. Live streams, guys, abangan nyo yan. I'm trying to find a way na pwede kong dalhin dito yung setup ko from the Philippines. Congratulations to all of you. SB19, 1Z Entertainment, Black Star Entertainment, congratulations. Pablo, Justin, Stel, Ken, Josh, saludo ako sa inyo, guys. So, sobrang nakakatuwa yun. And sobrang parang binuhay. Yung alam mo yung turo na yun? Parang binuhay niya lahat. Parang alam mo yung parang it reminded me of one of the concerts that I went to see them 2019 or 2020, I'm not really sure. It was very nostalgic. Last night was very nostalgic and ayun, sobrang nakakatuwa lang. So again, maraming salamat po. Ang dami kong sinabi, but yeah, I wish nag-enjoy kayo sa reaction video na to and I hope to do more for as long as I get the time. Of course, I'll do it. And comment down below what you guys want me to watch from the past. I'm on X, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok. It's all Supremox. I'm on Facebook as well. The page is facebook.com/Supremox. Go ahead, go check it out. If you guys want to message me and do a suggestion or just simply comment down below. Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, maybe share with your friends na medyo you think na magkaka-relate sa atin. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And again, also, congratulations to SB19. I don't know if it's legit, but I heard, actually I read, but I'm not sure of the source. So, kung legit pa siya. But congratulations if ever man magpa-perform ang SB19 sa Coachella 2025. Congratulations, guys. You guys deserve to be on that stage. Anyway, maraming salamat po. And I wish to see you again next time. Yeah? Bye.
I forgot my outro. What was my outro? What was my outro? I don't remember. I don't remember my outro. Alam ko na. Ganito na lang. Ito na lang yung outro ko. Ay, nako. Galing. Anong loko to?